Kate, turn on a light in here so it's brighter. It comes out kind of dark.
No, they didn't have it all.
Really?
We'll watch the start. Again, the one that's the boat sets the pace for the rest of the team. It has to be tough. Not wanting to back down from any sort of challenge. Jeremy's cruising through great teamwork there. Again, using the legs to power the boat through.
Kate, don't let her eat her now. Tell Bella it's a baby. Show her how to treat a baby.
She's being gentle and giving kisses.
She is.
Yeah. That's what Kevin was saying, that like normally with kids she jumps right on them. No.
Make nice, Bella. Make nice, puppy.
You need to give her a bath. Oh, thank you. Bella's. Sorry, Mala. Oh, she has pretties. Oh. Give you kisses? Olivia wanted kisses, huh? Oh, kisses! Oh. Oh my gosh.
Let's make excellent happen.
Oh.
What's she doing?
Oh.
Here, Bella. Ooh, you're okay? She's fine.
Olivia! Oh, she would
no.
never look up here now.
Stop it.